Di lang po kami basta hospital worker. Medtech po tawag doon, medtech.
Masasaktan ka ba if ever tawagin kang empleyado? Which is yun naman talaga yung general term sa'yo. Diba? You work for someone, you're an employee. Diba? Or sige, sabihin na natin you work with someone. Now, masasaktan ka pag sinabihan kang trabahador ka doon sa lugar na yun. I mean, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung hurt pag tinatawag kang empleyado or tinatawag ka as a general unit noong kinabibilangan mong organisasyon.
For context, ito yung post sila sa Blue App. Hospital worker shows stock of fresh frozen plasma. Si Madam Medtech po yan, parang ako. Ang tawag sa amin medical technologist. O kaya pagandahin natin medical laboratory scientists.
Good morning and welcome to Science and Society. I'm Dr. Sheldon Cooper, BS, MS, MA, PhD, and SCD. OMG, right?
Alam mo na parang siya si Sheldon, they want respect out of the title that they've got. Diba?
Alam mo, laki ng sahod eh. Hindi lang po kami basta hospital worker. Tapos sasabihin ng mga nagko-comment dito sa TikTok, masyado nyo nire-romanticize yung pagiging medtech. Tapos kapag nagla-livestream kami, sasabihin nyo, nagsama-sama yung mga ginawang identity yung pagiging medtech.
Well, didn't you? Ikaw yung nagpipilit nung pagtawag sa inyo on a proper name. Diba? Imagine sa ibang profession, about sundalo. Imagine ninyo na lang if a soldier that has rank would demand na tawagin siya doon sa ranggo niya every time that they are going to talk about them. Do you see how ridiculous it is? Lalo na sa sa hindi familiar. 'Di ba? Like for example, sa common na tao, police, 'di ba? Oh, would it make them feel bad if they forgot the exact rank to tell them? Pulis lang, ganon. Sundalo lang, ganon. Bombero lang, ganon. Diba? Would it really kill you to be called in a generalized term?
Kasi nga guys, hindi nyo kami kilala.
Yes, and isn't it enough para, I mean, i-address kayo? Paano nyo ba? Well, sige, medtech. Pero, pag may nagkamali ba ng tawag sa inyo, would you demand? Would you on the spot correct them? Ma'am, medtech po kami. Medtech pakitandaan, medtech. Hindi po kami hospital worker, hindi po kami ma'am, hindi lang kami sir. Medtech po kami. Ganon? Ganon?
See? Kami po ay may bachelor's degree kagaya ng mga nurses.
Yes, and so are other people. What's special about that? Hindi naman sila nagpapatawag sa kung ano yung dapat itawag sa kanila. 'Di ba? Like, call me engineer, call me doctor, doctor of philosophy. 'Di ba? So, what's so special? Why do you want to be special? Do you deserve to be special? Enough na ba yung nakuha mo to become special?
Mga radtechs na mga pharmacists. We took Bachelor in Medical Laboratory Science for 4 years.
Yes, and what gives? Again, what gives? Di ba?
Minsan more than 4 years pa.
Baka magulat ka sa mga taga-Mapua. Hindi lang 4 years, 5 years, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, aside from nasaktan yung ego mo, what made you think you deserve to be, you know, always called on your proper, what, degree?